What is up, guys? It's your boy Alec the Savage, and today we're gonna be doing a video of my slime. So I ain't gonna make slime, but like I can show you the ingredients. So I got this out of Ryman's, any Ryman's. I got Elmer's Magical Liquid, aka activator, and I got this. Perfect for making slime, so that's why I got it. It was £4. Yeah, £4.99. And I got this, which was £2.99. And I'm gonna show you my slime. Just getting it out. It's a big bit, but and so I can show you it off the floor. So that's it. Very good for poking. So potty slime here, and this was the pot that I made it out of. It's so bad. I just couldn't find a pot, and I had to. Whoa. This slime looks so cool. Look at the swirl. Sick. No. Ah! Oh my god. Okay, so the slime keeps on farting so hard. Okay, this is the pot. I'm just gonna show you again Ryman's, PVA glue, and Elmer's. Bye, guys. Have a great video. Dab on those haters. Remember. Bye.